everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited. Today we're going to be learning how to use the concealer color palettes and what they're used for and what skin types to use them for. Let's get started. know there are a lot of different concealers to choose from, and that is what I am going to be helping you out with today. So there are concealers that come in a palette that have a bunch of colors, and then there's also bigger ones that you can get. Otherwise, you can get single ones. But before you buy any, let me tell you what each of them is used for. So I'm just going to go through all the different colors that people mainly use. The one that I use a lot is the yellow. It helps with purple undertones, which I have under my eyes a lot. Otherwise, maybe you have a deep red undertone under your eyes. That's going to help cover it up. You could be really veiny, maybe in the neck or the chest area. If you want to cover that up, that's going to help with those blemishes as well. The next color I'm going to go over is this green one. So the greens are really, really good for any like rosacea, red color, any acne, any rashes that you might have. I usually put it around my nose area here, and then around my mouth here and here. But you can also put it on any part of your face that you might have any redness. That is going to offset that red color. So the next one is the purple here. It helps with correcting any yellow undertones, or if you kind of have olive skin and you want to enhance it a little more, this will help cover that up. And it also helps to brighten your face. So I usually put it right here and then on the bridge of my nose, as you can see, and then just kind of across my cheeks here to help make it look a little brighter. So we already went over the yellow, so I'm going to skip right to the orange. So the orange color is going to be more beneficial to any darker complexions like mine, just because it helps with the deeper skin tones. And that also goes anywhere that you have any dark circles, dark spots, any dark blemishes. That is going to really, really help to brighten up your face and cover up those blemishes. So on this color palette, this pink looks more of like a dark peach color. There are some that are a lot lighter, and that is going to help with the fair skin, to a medium to fair skin. Kind of like the orange helps with darker skin, this one is going to help with lighter skin to cover up those dark circles, any dark blemishes, spots, anything like that. Now the color that I don't have in my palette is going to be a pink. The pink color helps with dull complexions. What I mean with dull complexions is that your skin is damaged. With normal skin, you can retain moisture and oil that keeps your skin smooth and bright looking, whereas with a dull complexion, it doesn't do that. So the pink is going to really help with that. Well, I hope this video helped you guys kind of help clarify things a little bit better and help you to pick the right kind of concealer when you're going out and buying it. Like I said earlier in the video, it's not going to be the same all the time. It all depends on how you sleep, what you eat, how your skincare routine goes. It's going to be different from day to day, from month to month, year to year. So don't always go with the same thing all the time. But I am happy that you watched, and I hope this helps you enhance your beauty. Thanks for watching. Bye.